First, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI Canva presentation that will save your time and it will save your effort just in few minutes. So this will be really amazing new tool that Canva is using to make Canva presentation for you just in few seconds. Okay, so let's get started. So what you will do, first you need to go to your Canva home page like this, and you will click over here on Magic Studio like this. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down and you should see over here Magic Design for Presentation. Click over here on Try Now and click over here on Try Magic Design. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to give this Canva AI 5 words or to describe your presentation. You need to give information about your presentation. So for me, for example, I'm gonna ask this Canva AI to make presentation about the future trend in technology. Okay, and I will click on the search like this, and Canva will start creating my presentation about the future trends in technology. So let's check the results, guys, and let's see if it's really good or not. And as you can see, it's already done. If we click over here and see all, so this is my presentation. So let's check. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna choose, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Click over here, just click on your presentation and click over here on apply all 7 page. Okay, you can also choose how many page you want, so you can ask the Canva AI to make, for example, 5 page, 3 page. It's up to you. Okay, and as you can see, the future trends in technology, it's really great. This is the first page. Colors are matched. The title is really great, so I like it really. So let's go to the next page, future trend in technology. Okay, let's go to the page number 3. Write an original statement or inspiration quote. As you can see over here, next page, AI, as you can see, artificial intelligence use will increase, rapid growth in virtual reality. That's really great. It's really amazing. This is the page number 5, technology timeline based to future. As you can see over here, everything is matched. It's a really great. So for me, I like. So let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion about this. This really is a game changer. You just need to give information about your presentation, and it will make it for you in just few minutes. Will save few seconds. Will save your time, save your effort, and you don't need to do a lot of research. So this will be done for you in few seconds. So let's go to the page number 6, future trend in technology, as you can see, and this is the last page. Thank you, exploring the future of technology. That's really great. If you didn't like this one, you can go back. Okay, or you can ask give Canva AI more information about your presentation and how you want your presentation to be. So the more information you can give, the more you will get the presentation that you exactly want. Okay, as you can see over here, so this one also is really great. So let me see this one. This one is also good, and you can also make change. If you want to change anything, you can edit this. Okay, after you finish, click on share, click on download, and you can download it as a PDF, or you can use PDF print, video, JPG, PNG, and so on. Click on download. This Canva presentation will be downloaded to your laptop, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments what's your opinion about this new Canva AI tool, and see you in my next video.